Hi viewers, this is Rahman here back with a new tutorial how to enable Intel VX technology. Okay, so let's go into the tutorial. First, we need to understand what is virtualization. So, in your laptop or a machine, if you are planning to run an different OS, you can use a third-party tool like VMware workstation or an Oracle, so that you can use an image file, ISO image file of the ISO image file to boot different OS flavors on the laptop or the machine desktop you use. So how we can able to make this one? So for example, I'll show you. So if you have VMware workstation or desktop you use, so the resources, everything, whatever you can see, so everything it is using from your laptop or your the local machine you are using. So these resources will be used virtually. This memory processor and everything as a hard disk, everything is virtually assigned to this particular virtual machine. So once you load the ISO image to this, you can able to power on from here. So you got an error. So see, this host suppose Intel VTX, but Intel VTX is disabled. So in order to enable the virtualization, or run an different OS on your machine, you first need to be enable the Intel VTX technology. Since I'm using Intel, so it will be Intel VTX. If it is an AMD, it will be AMD VTX something. So since I'm using Intel, Intel since I am using Intel, so it's showing me up like enable Intel VTX is disabled. So whether it is enabled or disabled, either you can when you run this, you can able to see this. Otherwise, you can just right click, go to the task manager, see whether the virtualization is enabled. So virtualization, you can see here the performance virtualization, it is disabled here. So another way to check system information. So here you can able to see. Okay, so here it is disabled. So to enable this one, you have to do it from the boot menu. You can do this from Biosetting. So I'm going to reboot my machine. So basically you need to enter into the BIOS setup, where you can able to see the Intel VTX virtualization. Intel VTX can be enabled from there. Performance. So here you can see visualization is enabled. So another method, system information, you can able to check. So here you see hyper visualization enabled in firmware. So this is done. Windows 7. So now I'll try to power on this machine. So I should not see any error previously which we see. Okay, so the setup is started with Windows is loading files now. So once this is done, you can able to deploy the virtual machines on your laptop or desktop. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment. Thank you.